So the ChatGPT that you use right here is for general purpose, but ChatGPT has different specialized GPTs that you can access that are known as specialized GPTs for specific problems and specific solutions. So over here you can see that Explore GPTs is an option. So if I were to go around over here onto Explore GPT, then you can see that there's many different variations of ChatGPT that you can actually use right here, just like this. For example, you can go around onto writing, then in productivity, research and analysis, education and lifestyle, and even programming right here, just like this. So these are variations of ChatGPTs that you can actually go around and use. So over here you can see that there's Scholar GPT right here, which you can use for research. There's Universal Primer right here to the way to learn something, and there's Astrology, Birth Chart GPT as well. There's Code Copilot as well, and so forth. So now over here you can see that there's Python, for example. So if I were to go around and click on it, then you can go around and then start the chat with Python GPT right here. So now I'm going to go around and say write a code to add two numbers right here, just like this. And once I were to do that, you can see that it generates out a Python code right here, which adds in numbers right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around and explore out more GPTs right here, just like this. And there's Math Solver, SQL Expert, as you can see, and so forth right here. And there's also let's say, for example, Write For Me right here, just like this. So Write For Me is like write tailored, engaging content with focus on quality and precise word count right here. Let's say, for example, so you can go around and say write 50 words on Wikipedia right here, just like this. Wikipedia right here, just like this. And then it simply goes around and utilizes the 50 words count right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around, explore out more, like go for SQL Expert right here, for example, and then you can go around and say make a table right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it gives me the SQL code to make a table right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the specialized GPTs as you like inside of ChatGPT to get the specific solutions as you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.